guys, so today we will be making a super fun and easy Easter wreath with items from the dollar store. What you will need: a wreath ring. This is 14 inches. I have a lot of Chanel stems. You can use whatever color you choose. Scissors or a rotary cutter, whatever your choice is, and a ton of Deco mesh. So I found this really cute, colorful Deco mesh that I am absolutely in love with. I think it's just so gorgeous. So I have a few rolls of the multicolored Deco mesh, and then I have pink, yellow, blue, and purple. So I'm just gonna have fun with it and see how things go. I don't know exactly how much I'm gonna use of each, but I just have like 2 or 3 rolls of each on standby. Alright, let's get started. So the first thing you want to do is cut your rolls of Deco mesh into 8-inch long pieces. And you can definitely cut it shorter or longer. It's completely up to you, but I feel like 8 inches works pretty well for me. And you could definitely cut 2 or 3 rolls at one time, just to save a little time and energy. Doing them just like this. And then cutting 2 of them at one time. And you come and cut 2 more. So that's getting twice the work done. Alright, so I'm going to get multiple pieces cut from each of the colors in the multicolored one, and then we'll start placing them together. Alright, so I've cut a ton of Deco mesh, and I'm going to start placing them together in bundles of 4. And I'm going to put 6 bundles in each section. So I'm going to place the Deco mesh pieces into bundles of 4. So 4 pieces for each bundle. And then I'm going to put 6 bundles in each section. Hush. And I'm going to put 6 bundles in each section. So this section will have 6, and then all around, and then there's 6 total, so we'll need 36 bundles. Now I make all of my bundles first, and then I place them on the ring. So I'll show you how I do that. Alright, so what you will need to make each of your bundles: 4 pieces of Deco mesh. I chose to go with 2 of the multicolor pieces and then 2 solid colors. And I'm just going to like trade out the different solid colors for each bundle. And you will also need a Chanel stem. Alright, so let's put this bundle together. There are 2 ways you can roll the Deco mesh. You can roll it at an angle, kind of like that, and make it longer and more pointed. Or you can roll it just in the tight little curl, like that. It's a little smaller, but it's so cute and adorable. For this project, I'm actually going to roll all of my pieces into little curls just like this. That keeps the colors kind of lined up, and it just looks so cute and adorable to me. And it's going to give an overall curlier effect of the wreath. So I have that piece. I'm just going to hold it together and then do the same thing with the second piece, and then cross them over. So we have the purple one. And I'm going to put the multicolors on the top and the solid colors on the bottom. And this one is already curled like perfectly. So just place that back there. Scrunch it all together. Take your Chanel stem and twist it in place. Just like that. And try to get it in the center. And there you go. That looks so cute and adorable. The colors look so fun together. Alright, so I'm going to show you one more, but instead of the purple and the blue, I'll go with the pink and the yellow. So, 2 of the multicolor pieces and 2 solid colors. So, just going to take this and curl it, curl it, curl it. They're both so cute and adorable, but they have slightly different looks because there are 2 different colors on both of them. So I'm going to make 36 of these total. So you will need a total of 144 pieces of the Deco mesh, 8-inch long pieces, to make 36 bundles. So I'm going to make more bundles, and I like to make all of my bundles before I start placing them on the ring. So I'm going to make multiple bundles, and I'm just going to alternate out the colors. Sometimes I'll do blue and yellow or purple and pink. I'm just going to mix them all up and have fun so that they look very fun and colorful. Alright, so I have all of my bundles together. Now I'm going to place them on the ring. So 36 bundles, 6 bundles in each of the 6 sections. What you do, you just take a random bundle, place it in between the inner 2 rings, and then you just twist it. Just like that. And the more you get placed, the fuller it's going to look. So you just take another bundle. And I try to get the bundles with different colors. Just like that. So here's another. And this looks good with 5 bundles in each section as well. Just if you're wanting to save Deco mesh, you can do 5 bundles in each section. You can do just 3 pieces of Deco mesh on each bundle. So you have options. Look at how cute and poofy that's looking with just 3 bundles. Alright, I'm going to get more placed and show you what one section looks like. So this is what one section looks like. So we're going to have 6 of these. That's going to be so cute and adorable and very poofy and colorful. So cute and adorable and very colorful. Alright, so I'm going to finish up the other sections and then show you what it's looking like. So this is halfway done, and it's so huge and curly and poofy. You really could only use 5 bundles in each section for a total of 30 bundles if you'd like. Alright, now I'm going to finish up. Alright, so I have 6 bundles in each section. It's so poofy and cute. And you see, making the curls just make the entire wreath look more curly. If you want it to look larger and a little more fun, then you could definitely do the diagonal curl that I showed you. But this looks so cute and adorable. So this is the finished product. It looks so cute and adorable. You could definitely put a sign in the center or add more accents or anything that you like to do with it. You could definitely have fun with it. This is what the back is looking like. It's a little wild and crazy. So what I like to do is just start, let's say just a random section, and just twist it down together. And grabbing more as I go along. All the way around. If you don't want this much excess at the back, you could definitely cut the chenille stems in half when you're making your bundles. So just twisting them down just makes it look a little neater. But so that's the back. And this is the front. So cute and fun. Definitely you could do what you want. Add more accents, Easter eggs, whatever you'd like. If you want to grab the little bunny ear headband from the dollar store and add it to the top so it looks like a bunny is hiding in your wreath, you can do that as well. So just be creative and have fun with it. But so simple and cute, and it doesn't take long at all. And you can make this with items purchased at the dollar store for less than $10.